Well, it's about the middle of June. I'm making a sandwich for lunch. I'm gonna go out to the garden and harvest the first lettuce of the year. I went out the other day and looked at it before we went on our trip, and it looked pretty awesome. Looked like it was doing really well. So, go check it again. Assuming that after all the rain we've had, and then last weekend while we were gone it was pretty warm. It's now the sun's coming out again. Rained last night, sun's coming out again now. I'm assuming things are going to continue to take off. While that means that the weeds are taking off, it also means that the stuff I want growing should be doing well too. So, time to check it out. Yeah, these are looking great. I can start pulling leaves off this, off any of this stuff. And I'll have some kale on my sandwich too. All right. Love when things start going crazy. Man, I gotta get the grass mowed. This is nuts. Gotta cultivate. Also need to get out here and trellis these peas. Oh, so much to do. But it's a work day. I don't have time right now, so just out here to grab some lunch food. I planted these varieties of lettuce super close together. I want to save that stuff over there for full heads, and this stuff I was planning to take leaves off of. So that way I can have sandwich lettuce. So these are really close together. So the idea is keep them trimmed and use the leaves from them to open up more space. So I kind of alternated low bib varieties with high romaine. So the romaine's going to grow up more and these are going to spread out. We'll see if that theory holds. But anyway, I should be able to have plenty of lettuce. Get that weed out of there. So the idea here is to pull from the outside, and then the lettuce will continue to grow from the middle. But these big leaves are ready to roll. That should be more than enough for a single sandwich. But all right. Sunflowers are looking good too. I can plant beans anytime I think. I'm gonna come out and measure the soil temp, but should be okay, especially under the plastic, but the pole beans will go here. Anyway, lots to do. Well, I didn't get very far on getting the lawn under control before it rained. Pretty much, I don't know how much rain we got. I haven't put my rain gauge out, that reminds me. But anyway, I was on the road all day yesterday for work. Not that it would have mattered because it poured buckets. We get a lot of rain, which is nothing new for this spring. But anyway, the lawn is fine out here, but in the garden it's knee high, and I've got to get it back under control. I have so much to do, but this is one of those things where all of the work I have to do, planting, trellising, mulching, will actually be a lot easier if the grass is shorter, because I have to walk through this space. It'll also help more clearly define the edges of the plots. So to some extent it feels like I'm wasting time by mowing and weed whacking, but long years of experience have told me that that is actually not the case. I'll also feel better, the garden will look better, and that'll be mentally satisfying. So I gotta go get the weed whacker first and hit the fence line, because I'm pretty sure I'm just shorting out the fence on a lot of grass. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do.